So in today's video, I'm going over 5 ways that Uber and Lyft drivers can earn more money. So if you're like me, you like money and you want to make more of it. So if you're an Uber or Lyft driver, this video is for you. Thumbs it up and make sure to subscribe. Okay, number 1 is an app called Solo. This app is a must-have for any Uber driver, Lyft driver, or gig worker because they actually pay you guaranteed income when you go out and drive. You can clock in for these little 1-hour shifts basically for whatever app you're registered with, and they're gonna guarantee a certain dollar amount, and if you don't hit that amount, they're gonna pay you the difference. They also help with taxes. You can file your taxes in the Solo app, and right now they're actually giving drivers 10 bucks when you sign up with our link and link your gig account, so you can do that and get $10, okay? And they also track your mileage as well and, you know, show you, they basically help, they're like your finance app for gig working. Number 2 is Shopify. Shopify is a great way that Uber and Lyft drivers can make more money because you can set up a Shopify store and do drop shipping. So basically you don't need to pay for any inventory up front. You can just promote random products or products within a specific niche that you like and sell those products. One of my famous drop shipping sites was actually selling car products. I sold car vacuums, I sold hand towels, I sold car spray, I sold tire cleaners, phone mounts, phone chargers, all that stuff. And it's all set up drop shipping. I didn't ship out one product. So drop shipping, Shopify drop shipping is really easy, and I actually have a tutorial down below on how to do that, linked below as well. You can check that out. Number 3 is TikTok Shop. Uber and Lyft drivers. This is great because while you're waiting in between rides, you can make little videos promoting certain items. Like this one, for instance. This is not a great example, but this is a little adapter for your camera. You can promote random products. I have a bunch of products here, but they're in the other room. Where you can basically promote other products, make little videos of them off your phone, and then you can make money when somebody buys those products from your videos. You don't need a following to get started, and it's super easy, okay? So I also have a link below to that, and I've been making over $1,000 on TikTok Shop in a single day. So if you want to get started, I know people who make over $1,000 a day on TikTok Shop. It's literally easy, free money. And there's no upfront cost to start a TikTok Shop account. It's like crazy, all right? Because people buy it on your phone, and it's, in my opinion, a little bit better than Shop. It's different than Shopify dropshipping because with TikTok Shop, people can only buy the products in TikTok, but it's like really easy. With Shopify, you can promote the products on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, and Twitter, and Snapchat, wherever. So it's like easier in that sense. But yeah, TikTok Shop, that's another one. Uber and Lyft drivers, I think, are the perfect candidates for a successful TikTok Shop creator because you have a lot of free time sitting in your car, and car videos do really well on TikTok for some reason. I think because they're relatable. Number 4 is YouTube. Creating YouTube content. One of the ways that you can create content is documenting your journey as an Uber driver. That's what I did. I said, hey, I'm gonna drive for Uber today. Here's how much money I'm gonna make. All right, people love this type of content because it's side hustle content. You can also create a faceless YouTube channel. There's so many different niches on there. If you don't want to show your face or talk, or you're a little awkward, it's all right. You can make a faceless YouTube channel and you can start generating real income. I'll just show you. I have several YouTube accounts. I do the faceless YouTube channel method. I love that one because, again, you don't need to show your face at all. This channel, I obviously show my face, but I have other ones where I don't. This is on one of my YouTube channels. Right now I have 3 monetized channels, but this is one of mine so far this year. I've brought over 57K this year so far. This was last year on one channel. I made 125K on this channel. I can't keep track at this point. And yeah. And then I also have one friend who I helped her create a faceless YouTube channel, and she started making bank. This is, I asked her to send me a screenshot because I wanted to show you guys. She made over $300,000 on one of her YouTube channels. This is after YouTube's cut, so that money goes directly into your bank account. YouTube already took their cut of like 300K, so this channel brought in like 600K. She took $312,000 into her bank. plus all the affiliate revenue too. I mean, that was even way more. She probably made over close to $1 million total. But if you want to learn how to do this, you can go to the link below to the Faceless YouTube channel program that I created, and you can start a 30-day trial to get started. It changed my life. YouTube Faceless channel changed my life. That's how I bought this house I'm sitting in. Okay, and I'm in SoCal. It's expensive out here. The house costed around $1.3 million. I have a mortgage. Okay, I didn't buy it in cash. I wish, but hopefully I'm trying to pay the house off early. That's my hope. But I have a low interest rate, and I'm like making basically the same amount of money in a high yield interest savings account. So I'm like, and I want to buy another income property. So it's kind of complicated, but I haven't paid off the house yet. I mean, I don't have the money to pay it fully off, but that's kind of my goal. But I'm like, my reasoning why I'm not paying it off is because of that too. Number 5 is getting a used vehicle. One of the biggest mistakes that Uber and Lyft drivers do is they buy a new car to do Uber, or a newer car. You don't need a new car to do Uber. You actually make way more money driving a piece of crap car because you're not losing money on car depreciation. That's the worst wealth killer in America, is a depreciating asset, which is your car. The dumbest thing to do is go buy a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 car and use it to drive Uber. The dumbest thing to do in general is go out and buy a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 car. I'm buying tomorrow a car for $5,200 on Facebook Marketplace. I did it. I found a car. He was selling it for like $6,500. I negotiated him down. I actually waited like 2 months. It was perfect. I basically negotiated him down to $6,000, and then I went down to $5,500, and then I was just waiting, and I was looking at a bunch of different cars, and then I was like, would you do 5? And he goes, would you do $5,200? And I said yes. So now I'm buying it for $5,200. I played the long game, I played the waiting game, and you know, he finally agreed. And so I'm buying a used car for $5,200, and you know, it's a great car. It's a really nice car. It's just used, but it's like, who cares? It still works. And I can probably sell that car in 2 years for $4,000. I can probably sell that car in 3 years for $4,000. So I'm really gonna only be losing, what, $400 a year on car depreciation? That's absolutely nothing. That's like, what, that's like $30, $40 a month on car depreciation. If I bought a car for $30,000, how much do you think I can sell it for in 3 years? Maybe 10? I would have lost 20 grand in car depreciation, or maybe even less. I mean, the car, who knows how much the car would be worth by then. So anyways, those are my 5 ways Uber drivers can make more money. Again, check out the links below. I have links below for the Shopify dropshipping course. I also have the link below for the TikTok shop course as well, and also for the Faceless YouTube channel course. In my opinion, those are the 3 best ways to start a business right now. Those are obviously very legit ways. I wouldn't do like any pyramid schemes or MLMs or like I would stay away from like things that are like not very well known. Obviously TikTok, people make a lot of money on TikTok. People make a ton of money on YouTube. You see people buying houses. I mean, I literally bought a house from YouTube money and TikTok money. And then number 3, Shopify dropshipping. We all know there's a lot of people who make money on Shopify dropshipping. And you know, these are all proven strategies, right? There's a reason why people do this stuff. So if you want to learn how to get started, check the links out below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk soon.